We're showing and demonstrating kinesiotaping for the forefoot. This would be a metatarsalgia, even a metatarsal stress fracture, or Morton's neuroma. We'll take our pre-cut piece of kinesiotape and fold it in half, and then we're going to cut a couple little triangular reliefs on here, about like that. So when we're done, it's going to look like this. When it's folded out, it's going to look like that. Then we're going to tear the backing of the kinesiotape above and below where we've cut these little reliefs. We're going to remove that portion of the backing. Then we're going to get down here and have the patient splay the toes a little bit. We're going to put this between the second and third toe. Going to lay that down, just a tiny bit of stretch on here. There is about a 15% stretch as you're removing the backing. Lay that in. A little bit of stretch over the bottom of the foot. Lay that in. Be sure you rub the tape. The heat from your hand, the pressure from your hand helps to set the adhesive. Got that done there. Now we'll take our second piece of kinesiotape, just relax the toes. And this is going to go over the point of pain on the bottom of the foot, and just some additional support on here for this condition. It's going to overlap over the top of the foot. If you could bring that up there and show the top of the foot now. Again, you pull the backing off as you're laying down the tape. So now for any kind of mild metatarsal stress fracture, metatarsalgia, or even a Morton's neuroma, this would be the proper tape job to support that condition or injury.